What is going on, guys? I'm back with another video. I want to talk about costochondritis, Tourette syndrome again. For those who don't know what that is, inflammation in your sternum and one of your ribs is inflamed. It's painful. I've been dealing with this for over a year now. Mine could be chronic. It all depends. It can lead. You can have it for the rest of your life, or it can chill out within years. It'll take time. But my thing is I work out, so I'm pretty much hard-headed, yeah. I don't let it heal, so I'm the idiot for not doing that. But so far, I'm like 70%, 75% better. Thank the Lord, because I've been, I did a lot of stuff, to keep it, to have control over it. But right now, I've been using a foam roller. This is what I've been using. And honestly, this has been working for me. $5, you can't go wrong with this. I had the back pod, but honestly, I paid, almost $90 for that piece of plastic back pod. And to be honest, I was getting results, but it wasn't really accurate like this foam roller I got. You know what I'm saying? Because the foam roller, you're actually going through the whole body. You're just going through your whole upper back. You roll it down to the bottom, and you can actually feel it. You can feel all the cracks. You can feel all the openings in your muscle, your pectoral muscles fully stretch on the foam roller. The back pod is just one spot. So I recommend you guys get a foam roller. $5 at Five and Below, wherever. And that's how my costochondritis is healing a little bit, little by little. You can take turmeric. I've been taking turmeric. I haven't been consistent with it though. And I haven't been consistent with my ibuprofen because I don't like taking pills. I'm gonna be straight. I don't like fucking taking pills. If I don't have to take it, I'm not gonna take it. Why? You know what I'm saying? It's just gonna mess me up more side effects. So I just try to, like I said, I'm consistent with the foam roller. You got to be consistent with that. You can't just expect you to feel better the next day. Oh, I feel better. I'm gonna start. No, you got to be consistent with the foam roller. I use it like twice every day. And when I do my exercises, for example, pull-ups, dips, push-ups, I stretch after I use the foam roller. So I get a good, stretch on my chest, especially in my pec area, pectorals, because that's where that's where it all started. The dips had made it worse. But, if you can get rest. Rest your body. Try not to lift anything heavy. I haven't been lifting weights in a minute. I've just been doing straight calisthenics and just eating nutrition, more fruits and more veggies. I've been doing a lot of walking too as well at my job. And so far, thank the Lord, I'm good, I'm not 100%. I will though, which it's all about positivity and having faith. By this year, let's see if I can get this out of here by the summertime. If you guys know any more, activities I can do or stretches, I heard yoga is good too. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Because costochondritis is not, a lot of people don't understand that. Some doctors don't even understand what costochondritis is. Or Tourette syndrome. They just look at you like you have 3 heads, you know what I'm saying? Oh, take an ibuprofen. You're just going to waste your money going to the doctors. It's not worth it. So if you guys know how to control your own self, then do it. You know what I'm saying? It's the best. It's it's for your body. Take care of your body. That's what it's all about. All right. Comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys. If you guys got more information about costochondritis, Tourette syndrome, comment below, and we'll talk about it more in my podcast as well, and we'll take it from there. All right. Peace.